Bitcoin price crosses above $45,000 as final spot ETF submission deadline ends. Last updated January 7, 2024, 23:17 EST. 2min read disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The price of Bitcoin continues to rise as the deadline for companies to file S1 forms for Bitcoin spot ETFs passed this morning. The SEC submission deadline of ATM has passed, and all issuers, Hashdex aside, have submitted updated S1s with the exception of Grayscale, who submitted an S3. BlackRock, Ark Invest /21 shares, VanEck, WisdomTree, Invesco, Fidelity, and Valkyrie have all submitted revised S1 forms, marking the last stage before a possible approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. The SEC has until January 10 to determine whether to approve or deny Ark 21 shares application and could potentially approve all suitable final applications by that date. Bitcoin prices rises amid ETF approval anticipation. Bitcoin has been stabilizing since returning to $45,000 on Monday and is currently trading at $45,004.71 at the time of writing, according to CoinMarketCap. Last week, Bitcoin broke through the $45,000 barrier for the first time since April 2022. Eric Balchunas, an ETF analyst at Bloomberg, has said that the chance of a spot Bitcoin ETF being approved in the United States has increased to over 90%. In reference to the possibility of the SEC rejecting proposals after recent updated filings, Balchunas stated in an X post on Saturday, "I would probably estimate it at 5% at this point, but it's important to leave a small possibility for these things." Balchunas previously set the odds at 90% in November, noting that the SEC and issuers were working hard to prepare ETFs for the current cycle, which most said wouldn't happen. However, the Polymarket betting platform is more pessimistic, with its odds of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval currently standing at 84% at time of writing. Last Friday, stock exchanges filed amended 19.4 forms for bids from several asset managers, including BlackRock and Fidelity, for spot Bitcoin ETFs. New filings also came in for proposed Grayscale investments. Valkyrie, Ark 21 shares, and Invesco also submitted new filings. Forms were also submitted to the Cboe BZX exchange by VanEck, WisdomTree, Pano Asset AG, and Franklin Templeton. Approved ETFs could start trading as early as January 11, the ETF store president Nate Jarosai said in an X post on Saturday. Amended S1s due by ATM ET on Mon and potential approval 2s or WED which asterisk could asterisk mean possible launch Thurs or Fry, Jarosai wrote. SEC only asking for minor changes. One source indicated SEC commissioner vote likely to take place on WED. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.